Okay, love bugs, summer is here and I am in my element. I mean, technically it's not here. This is like the 3rd week of May, so I think we got like a week or 2 left before it's officially summer, but today it was 90 degrees. Yesterday it was 90 degrees, so it feels like it's summer where it gets dark late, it's really hot, we can bring out the shorts and retire the leggings, and I have the hair to match. This one comes from Unice. They sent me over this beautiful 7x5 bye-bye knot lace wig. She comes equipped with that nice, she came equipped with this beautiful pre-styled curtain bang situation and the highlights. That means when you get your wig, you don't have like a nice roller in it where they kind of like preset the curtain bang for you. The highlights are already pre-done for you, and again, it's a pre-everything. So pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked airline. Literally put her on and go. You're gonna see me do a quick, simple, easy, beginner-friendly install on the first day that I put her on. I don't have any makeup on, and then you see me get real tea and jazzy and do some beautiful curls. So you'll see that yes, you get your curls straight out of the box, but you'll see how I touched up mine for, you know, when yours drops. This one here is the ultimate game changer. I've been wearing her for every day for about a week or so, maybe even more at this point, and she has been giving me so many compliments. I love her. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. You guys already know it's 3:22, so I was supposed to leave by 3:15 to get to dance on time. We'll be late, but at least you guys got the tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link in all the details down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, it wouldn't be me in true Ashley fashion if I wasn't running fashionably late. Now, fashionably late to the carpool line is completely different than headed to an event, so I need to hurry up. It's 2:21 and I gotta be out of the house by 2:30. So we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on from Unice. It is Friday night, so of course I want to look cute for the weekend. So they sent me over this pre-styled wig, so I think I should be good to go. Look at this beautiful brown color with that blonde highlight, and they even added the curls for the like nice little pop. I'm going to spray those down with a little bit of hairspray. And then in the front, we did get a pre-styled curtain bang. In the front, we did get a pre-styled bang, so hopefully we'll be able to just roll out that bang and go. She is set as a center part, and then this is a closure, a pre-everything wig style closure wig. So really quickly, let me try to show you the inside because that is important. You have your lace here, and this is a lace closure. You get pre-plucked lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. Even the hairline has that beautiful scallop cut in case you kind of want to push your hair back with like a headband and show off that hairline. You'll be able to see that it's nice and camouflaged. You get the adjustable and removable elastic band. You get the traditional large comb in the back as well as the adjustable straps. And I'm sorry I'm not able to show you guys this like perfectly, but again, it is freestyled. Look at the beautiful bounce and texture in this one, and also look at the like salon quality professional highlights. I'm excited about this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps, put her on. We're probably gonna go ahead and spray her down right away to bond her down or to melt the lace, and we're also gonna remove that roller right away. Okay, so this is what she looks like when you first put her on. Obviously, like, it's pre-styled with that roller, so it could so it's not really high up here, but you guys see the picture. This is what it looks like when you first put her on, and this is what it looks like from the back. To get a feel of what we have going, I'm gonna first of all just pull her back, and I'm gonna use this Sport Edition spray to keep her in place. It is hot out in LA, and it's starting to warm up in LA, and I have a busy weekend, so I intend on wearing this beauty the entire weekend, and I just want her to lay nice and flat. Now, I didn't bond it all the way, but again, I just wanted to stay intact because we might be going to the water sports. And this is what she looks like. This is the bang that comes, or the roller that comes with it. And you kind of flip her. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and give it a quick brush out. Look at that color. This is beautiful. I have an event to go to tomorrow, and this is going to be perfect. Look at that. Straight out of the box. So let's go ahead and hit her in the center with a little dynamic duo. Now that looks poppin'. She looks fire. So let's go ahead and tint the lace. We're gonna go 16 in the front, and we're gonna mix those two colors and just pack it in. I like the way I did the hairline as far as melting it, because it kind of looks like a little bit frayed, but to me that looks a little bit more natural. That way we don't have to do like baby hair. You see the before or the before and after. We're gonna do shade 15 in the parting, and it's just a little bit lighter, more my skin tone. You want to pack that in really nice. It's better to pack it in heavy and then blend it out like so, and just press it in. I like to press it in along the hairline as well. And look at how flawless that is. We literally, it is 2:29. I told you I needed to be done by 2:30, so we are literally done. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even want to dare to recurl it, because you guys know I am not the best with the curls, so I want to leave her like so. Let's go get the kids and we'll talk about it.
Nails.
Oh my gosh, are those the things I bought you from Shein? Wow, good job. Okay, love bugs, so here we are. This is a few days later. Actually, this is about a week later. This has been my everyday wig, and I'm so shocked. I typically go with water wave or like a yaki straight, and I just wear that every day. But this has been my favorite wig. For some reason, I have loved this color combo. So coming back to see or to show you guys what the wig looks like when it's been curled, it's been styled. I wore it over the weekend to my cousin's champagne party. It's been literally my throw on wig, and again, it's stepping outside of my comfort zone, because typically comfort is something simple or black, and this one has a beautiful pop. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, and you guys can clearly see she holds a curl like a dream. I'm yapping to you guys because I tinted the lace when I originally installed it, but I haven't touched up the tint since, so you guys can see it's still nice and warm. And I do, for the most part, like take it off at night. If I sleep away from home, I will leave my wig on and just, you know, put a bonnet on with a wig band around the hairline. But when I am at home, even if I attempt to leave a wig on at night, by the end of the morning or by the morning, I typically will snatch it off. And it's just, I don't know what it is. I think it's just the power of like knowing I can do it in the morning, and then really not even doing much to it but putting a wig band on or a headband on in the morning. But I don't know what the point of what I was trying to say is, but basically I've been taking it off every night, putting her back on. She fits glueless, so I haven't been adding any spray. This is only the second or third time I've added like the lace spray to melt it down, and she's fit glueless and just fine. And this is what she looks like from the back, and the hair is nice and full. You guys know I did low curls, so I did not do any manipulation or, you know, get it fleeky right here, but you guys get the point. And yeah, she is fire. So before we go ahead and get to the end of the video, let me go ahead and show you guys what she looks like in a really cute little updo. Matter of fact, let's just do it together. So I'm just gonna twist it back, and I like to twine it up like a twist in the back. Then I'll take my clip. I want to go get some fun clips for the summertime because it's about to be hot, or it's actually hot. And then because this one has a nice curtain bang in the front, it's gonna drop, but I don't want to make it drop. You see how beautiful the design of that curtain bang is? That just makes the updo a lot more classy. You can get some of those like rhinestone or pearl head pins and like take each curl and kind of like pin it to be more like uniform, but I like it like sexy and sassy all by itself. This is what it looks like pinned up, and this is what it looks like pinned up from the back. Okay, love bugs, we are done with the look. I went ahead and took some pictures for you guys and they came out too tea, but we only have 4 minutes left on this memory card. We definitely can make space, but how about we just not talk too much so we don't have to make space, right? So this one came from Unice, as we already know. We love their packaging. Inside you'll see this is the bag, the disinfectant bag that the wig came in. It's nice and small, right? So it was like pinned up with the roller and it was like, you know, packaged really nicely to preserve the pre-style. But it also lets me know this is a 7x5 by knots lace wig in the length 24 inches. We also got the wig caps. These are HD wig caps exclusive to Unice, which means yes, you can only purchase these or find these on Unice. We got a sheet of by knots wig tape. I'm not a wig tape girly, I'm not a glue girly, but this is definitely nice to have some for those of us who are, or in case I switch my mind, right? We got the melt belt. I believe I used this in the video. This is a fresh one, so I'm not going to use it today, but you guys know I love how they make really small now, so it really snatches that hairline like we love. And then last but most certainly not least, we got the Unice edge brush with the extra brush head and the rat tail. So this is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!